Good morning children. Today we are going to solve class 4 science assignment from your textbook lesson number 10 and your Sadhana workbook page number 103 and 104. We will see what is there in this assignment children. Look at the diagrams of class 1, class 2 and class 3 levers and practice in the space provided. So here they have given us 3 lever picture. Here they have given us the space. We have to practice the diagram. So we will practice children here. First we have to draw one straight line. In this, in the center it will be fulcrum for class 1 lever. So we will draw the fulcrum here. I am not writing here fulcrum children. Fulcrum is denoted by capital F. So I will write here capital F. Then this side it is load. This side it is load. It is denoted by L. And here this side it is effort. So I am giving here downwards arrow and writing here capital E. This is class 1 lever. Now I will go for the class 2 lever which we will draw here. Again one straight line we will draw children. Here one side will be the fulcrum, the triangle one. Again F we will write, which means fulcrum. Little left side we have to draw the load, which is denoted by L, and this side it will be the effort, the downwards arrow, which is denoted by E. And here in the center I will draw the class 3 lever. Again one straight line. In the center here will be the effort, E. Here one side will be the load, L. And here one side will be the fulcrum, F. Now I will write the names children. First one is class 1. Lever, class 1 lever. This is class 3 lever, so we will write CLASS class -3 lever, LEVER. And here is the class 2 lever, so CLASS-2 LEVER, class 2 lever. So this is the 3 levers children we have drawn already here. Now we will go for the next page. Label the fulcrum, load and effort in each of the following. Here is 3 pictures. First one pliers, second nutcracker, third tongs. We have to identify fulcrum, load and effort. We have to label. First picture we will see pliers. Load is here. In the between the fulcrum will be here and here will be the effort. Right? So left side load, center fulcrum, right side effort. Next picture nutcrackers. Here in the center load, right side effort, left side fulcrum. Third one tongs. In between effort, right side fulcrum, left side load. So this is today's assignment children. I hope everyone understood this assignment properly and everyone practiced the 3 levers diagram in your home. Thank you children. Have a nice day.